My name is Jeff Hillman, and I'm a student in the Museum Studies program with Professor Alessandro Moctezuma. Before coming to this program, I was an event producer at SeaWorld. I'd actually worked there for 14 years. I was a performer for 7 years and then a producer for 6 years. And I worked on big ticket events like Christmas, Halloween. I was the lead producer on Seven Seas Food Festival and also Electric Ocean, which is a summer program. And then in 2017, I was let go as part of a restructuring that they had. So shortly after that, I enrolled in the Museum Studies program. I was looking for something that was connected to what I had done previously, but also would give me different skills, new skills. Just been to Wonder Spaces, which was a pop-up art event in Mission Valley, and I thought that I saw a flyer for the Museum Studies program, and I thought that that would match with the skills that I had already gained, and also, again, give me something new to work with. So that's why I enrolled in the program, really to learn new skills. And what I learned from the program is how to curate an exhibition, how to prep the gallery itself, painting, patching walls, and then also preparing the art for hanging. A lot of measuring, also just the layout, the creative aspect of that. It built upon what I had already learned in my previous career. And so there are a number of benefits. One, again, the new skills I'm actually using now as a freelance art installer, which is really fun. Like, how do I curate an exhibition? I've gotten to do that work with Professor Moctezuma and Jenny here in the Mesa College Art Gallery. But also, I've gotten to meet some artists in the community that are down-to-earth people, but then they also have these, obviously, creative minds. It just blows my mind what they put together. So making those contacts within the arts community, which I'd never before had or even considered having. And that's also one of the things that I enjoyed most about the program is getting to know people, dive into a world that I didn't know I had permission to be part of. I'd heard of art reception galleries, and I'd never really stopped into some place like the Quint Gallery or the San Diego Museum of Art just to look at art. So it always seemed like, well, no, that's for invite only, for people that belong in the art community. But really what I learned, what I enjoyed was that they want new people to experience their art. They want to bring new people around. And just getting to know so many different people within the San Diego arts community was really enjoyable. I'm really glad to have been part of this program. As far as what's next for me, the sky's the limit. Right now I'm working at the Mesa College Art Gallery part-time, but I've also started doing some freelance install work for the Jewish Community Center in La Jolla. And then I'm going to stay in touch with the Quint Art Gallery, which is where I'm completing my internship and doing some work for them now and again. And I also have some ideas for my own gallery installations. Not my art, but the idea for the themes of future exhibitions. So I'm really looking forward to exploring that.